Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to plan the week of the 15th of June to the 21st of June 2020. So I will be using this beautiful kit from Nicole Alexia designed. It's called Warm and Cozy. It's winter here in Australia and it's really cold, so it's appropriate. We don't have snow, but this is the feeling. I'm freezing at the moment. So I'm using this kit is in silver foil and it's absolutely beautiful. I'll also be pulling some stickers from my collection. So I have the GP Sticker Studio, Planet Beautiful, Tickled Pink Planning, Fox and Cactus, and a few other leftovers that I have. And I'm also using these nice little date dots from Rose Color Days. So let's get started. So as usual, I'm going to white out my sidebar. I use that part of my planner as a decoration piece, and I will put down the washi that comes with the kit, as well as the Simply Gilded washi to make it prettier, I would say. And because this is a B6 size kit, it doesn't fit properly. The washi is cut out in two, but it looks really pretty, as you can see on the wiggle. Then my next step is to white out the dates and put down the date covers that come with the kit, along with the date dots from Rose Color Days. They are in black and they're perforated to the number. Once all of the date dots are put down, I start working on my spread. So the base will always be the full boxes, and this kit is so beautiful. I love the pops of red, they just make it so beautiful. So I start the full boxes with the double box on the weekend, and then I move to add the glitter headers because it just makes it more cohesive, in my opinion. After that, after putting the weekend one, I just move back to put all of the normal other full boxes, and I usually put down the whatever has a coffee cup or a chocolate cup, chocolate mug on the front to symbolize Coffee Monday, even though I still put a Coffee Monday icon somewhere. But starting on Monday, I put down all of my Tickled Pink Planning laptops to mark down work, and I've been working from home for a while now. Then I put my But First Coffee from the GP Sticker Studio, and finally I started doing all of the other icons. So on the Friday I had a day off, and I added that to my Friday with a half box and a script from the kit. So first I start on Monday with my coffee from the GP Sticker Studio, as well as a girl from GP Sticker Studio. I also put down a quarter box with groceries from the script from the kit, and a little flag from Samantha May Sticks, a transparent one, to mark down that I had Portuguese tart that day. It was beautiful. On the Tuesday I put down a half box to mark down that I had a delivery from my US box. I also put down some washi strips from the kit to mark down that I needed to edit my flip and flip through and upload it, as well as a quarter box to mark down that I needed to water the plants, with a little icon from Hamilton Print Co. The little circles are from Samantha May Sticks as well. Then on Wednesday I put down a half box to mark down that I needed to go to the post office, and I put down a Fox and Cactus sticker for that to do a distash. A little icon from Marshmallow Studio to mark down that I had lunch with a friend, a half box with a camera from the kit to mark down that I needed to work on my YouTube, and the trash out little bins there. On Thursday I got my Happy Mail from Energel Cleaner, which is a pen. I also did some YouTube binge. I marked down YouTube binge, but I actually worked on my channel, and again water my plants with Hamilton Print Co. and a little icon to mark down that I slept really late that day. On the Friday was my day off, but I put down a tickled pink planning computer laptop to mark down that I continued working on my YouTube, as well as it was a junk day that day, and the little cat to mark down that I needed to clean all of the little trays. On the Saturday I had a to-do list. That to-do is from the GP Sticker Studio. Some checklist from the kit to mark down all of the things that I wanted to film and record, and I did that both on Saturday and Sunday. I marked down groceries for Saturday. I marked also that I needed to do some cleaning with a cute little girl from Planet Beautiful, and I did that also on Saturday and Sunday. The laundry script on Sunday is by Marshmallow Studio, and the half box with time to plan is my own sticker that I cut and made for myself. And that is pretty much what my spread looks like.
And that is it for me today, guys. I'm gonna show you what is left over from the kit. So these are the full boxes. So there's one full box and 2 washi strips here at the bottom, a few scripts, a few icons. I didn't use most of these, so they're going to my daily collection. And also all of these full boxes and half boxes were used, but I have a lot of labels and smaller sheets, smaller boxes here that I can use on my dailies as well. So any leftover kits that I have, I use for my dailies. So that is my usage for those, and those are the leftovers. And now this spread, it's just absolutely stunning. I love the pops of red. It made it really impressive. The kit, the silver foiling, everything is so beautiful. I'm really happy with this. I wish I had used more foil. I wish I had done like a foil only spread, but I just didn't think about it, and that's it, unfortunately, but maybe next time. But this is Monday and Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Look at that. That is so pretty. And I'm happy that it has red because I managed to use my YouTube binge sheet that I had for a long time, and I used all of it. But that's about it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you with any questions you have. And thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, stay sane, and love you, lottos. Bye!